ẹ wo fídíò tó ń ṣọlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wa àwọn àpilẹ̀ fún yín tẹ́ẹ̀ náà máa jẹ̀gbádùn ẹ̀ nípa Mohbad. ẹ wò ó ọlọ́run ayé kí ohun rere wa kó ṣe ojú ẹ̀mí wa. Mohbad, ìyàwó Mohbad ọmọ fún Headies award ìyàwó Mohbad ló máa gbà á. ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ náà ó dùn ní jọjọ. ẹ wo fídíò wọn àlẹ́ ìtàn àpilẹ̀ fún tẹ́ẹ̀ náà máa jẹ̀gbádùn. tó bá yẹ gbígbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tó ń darapọ̀ nìkan ni wàá bá a subscribe kó láti kọ́ni kó share. wàá lè máa jẹ wọn àǹfààní kọ́ńtẹ́ǹtì nígbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tí a bá fi létà wàá lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ẹ̀mí tí ó yẹ. mo sọ pé fídíò wọn àlẹ́ ìtàn àpilẹ̀ fún ẹ̀wò fídíò náà rèé ẹ̀nà ẹ̀jẹ̀ gbádùn ẹ̀.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of myself, our son Liam, my husband's immediate brother, Adura, Master Bami, and the rest of the Modernization family, we want to specially thank you for this award. Although Mohbad is not here with us anymore, but it does matter, and it matters. Thank you so much for Headies. Thank you for shining the light on my husband. Thank you for honoring his memory. Thank you for honoring his legacy.
Yes, and the man of death. Yes, that's clear. Now, what this corona, the pathologist today has done, yes, is to assist the corona adequately in giving answers to these questions. Okay. And this is what he said. Considering all the post-mortem findings, including auxiliary tests and available information about the background circumstance, a major disruption of vital organ systems of the body. A major disruption of vital organ systems of the body with resultant fatality due to a severe and rapid hypersensitivity reaction to a substance administered by a parental route is possible. So what this man is saying is that from all the circumstances, the coroner should look at all available information and what resulted in the collapse of vital systems of the body of the deceased. The man said, why did you apply drugs, antitetanus and drug, if you are not treating allergy? And before you can treat allergy, there must be a diagnosis. And he said so. He said the application of a severe and rapid injection through a parental route is possible. And when they say parental route, who are the people around at the time of his death? This is going to be the conclusion of the corona. All the pieces of evidence, the fact that he sustained it, and the injury led to loss of blood for many hours, up to 15 hours. The fact that he was not taken to the hospital when the author was taken to the early enough. The fact that injection was administered of him without diagnosis, and all those supporting factors are the direction that we should look at. Because law is based on facts, evidence, and the element of proof.
Sir, what can you tell us about the involvement of the police?
Sir, you said you are giving us, you said you want to give, sorry sir, sorry sir.
What can you tell us about the involvement of the police or otherwise in this sequence so far?
Well, when there is death, the police has a duty to investigate. But the role of the police in this inquest, so far, particularly the role of the state, in this inquest, I'm disappointed. Disappointed because at no time did the state ask a single question to any of the witnesses.
Are they represented?
And they were represented. And the impression is that the impression given here is that the state does not appear to have sufficient interest. I mean, concerned about what's going on here. And again, how do you go and clear some people before the coroner concludes his sentence? Those are areas of concern. But generally, the fact that the state has set up this inquest is something commendable. So we are able to look at it. I hope that all the windows will be open. None of the windows will be shut. It's discovering the death, the cause of death of them.
And now, they cannot bring in the police to this inquest any longer for
No. There is no need to. You will notice that at some point, I made application to the court that we were prepared to receive the verdict. This is no use turning this place into a theater. We are not here to play. This is not a recreation center. Where we come here, gather, even when we have nothing to watch. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
We can see clearly now that the family has done everything possible for Mohbad. It was not easy to hire this psychologist.
Exactly.
Who can testify? It's in millions. Stakeholders all over the world have been contributing to assist the family. And I'm happy today that the pathologists confirmed that he had been paid.
Yes.
And that he has been paid.
Yes, he said he has been paid. Fully paid.
And I happen to know that he wasn't paid anything less than 12 million.
Anything less than 12 million. Anything less than
slightly close to 20, but not less than 12.
Sure.
You understand me? I don't want to.
Sir, you said you were giving us that, the photocopy. That